I'm going to show you exactly how to make party invitations in Canva using free templates that you can customize for birthdays, weddings, or any type of celebration. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to adjust colors, add images, and download your invitation for print or digital sharing. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. First, head over to your Canva account. In the search bar, type in the kind of invitation you want, such as birthday party invitation or wedding invitation. Canva will then show you a wide selection of templates you can work with. Click on one that best matches your style and hit Customize this template. Once inside the editor, go to the Design option on the left-hand panel. In the search bar, type in the theme, color, or vibe of your party. Scroll through the suggested palettes and apply the one that fits your event. Next, let's personalize it. Replace the default image by going to Uploads on the left-hand menu, then drag in your photo and place it on your card. Change the text content by double-clicking on the text boxes and typing in your event details such as your name, date, time, and location. Once you're happy with your design, click Share at the top right corner, then select Download. If you want to send the invitation digitally, choose PDF Standard or PNG. If you plan on printing, I recommend choosing PDF Print for the best quality. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You've just created your own party invitation in Canva. It is simple, creative, and beginner-friendly. If you'd like to learn even more Canva hacks, don't miss our free 20-minute masterclass where we walk through all the basics step by step. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.